Hello my friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you this plan with me, and this is going to be using a kit from Pretty Cute Planner. This one I've been hanging on to for a little while. This one was a TPC exclusive kit from back in September, and I've been just dying to use it. I knew I wanted to use it in the month of November. Almost saved this one for Thanksgiving, for the week of Thanksgiving, but I've got another one in mind for that week. And so this one is gonna take a different week, but it is absolutely gorgeous. I love this. And now that I put it down after I actually used it, I wish I had saved this one for the week of Thanksgiving, because it's probably by far my favorite color combination, my favorite setup. I'm on, right now I'm on the last day, just to fill out like the last part, so on Sunday, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Like, all of the stickers that I use to go with it are beautiful. And then one other little bonus thing here to point out is that the sticker patch also did this artwork, but in a completely different style. So I have two sets. So what I ended up doing is taking, because there's so many stickers that came in the Pretty Cute Planner exclusive kit, and I had so much left over, I ended up taking the leftovers from that, combining it with the sticker patches kit, and using it in my A&N 7x9 planner. So I got like a double spread out of these two kits together, and I couldn't be more happy. It came out absolutely stunning. And so now I'm just going to get started putting everything down now that I've showed you all the goodies. And as always, I will have Pretty Cute Planner linked below, but this kit is not available. I double checked in the shop to make sure. It's an exclusive kit, so unfortunately you can't get it, but she does have a lot of really stunning kits in her shop, and the layout is fantastic for the way that she sets up her pages, and I think she's got some really good stuff over there. So I will leave her shop linked below, although this is not one of the kits that you can get your hands on, but it's already November, so you're not buying kits for November anymore anyway. At least I'm not, and I know most people aren't, but maybe for next year she'll bring it out and she'll have it as her regular and part of the regular lineup. But it's very pretty. So I'm going to lay down the boxes at the bottom this time because I wanted to use the glitter strip. So there's a really pretty glitter strip, like washi glitter strip in here, and so I wanted to put that one down, and I decided to do the split like I usually do. I really love the way that this looks in my planner, so I've been using it more and more often. And in a plan with me that's coming up soon, like very soon, I used actually two different ones. So I ended up getting a printable for the month of November because I wanted some more, like, ones with oranges. I just really am in love with this color scheme for this month. And so I went to White Rose Printables and I printed off a couple of kits from White Rose Printables. And then I pulled out my fall foil bundle in the rose gold, and I used that with one of them. And then I also did the, what do you call it? Oh, I remember. SLO Planning. So SLO Planning had a really stunning December kit. And so for the first week of December, I also planned that out using a kit from SLO Planning and the foil bundle that I just came out with the winter foil bundle. And for that one, I used this. It's just absolutely stunning. It is a silver hollow glitter foil, and it is absolutely stunning. So I also used that. And then the other thing about this kit, let me get back to this kit, that I absolutely love is the glitter header dividers with the glitter in them, like having the foiled on top of it. It gives just a little bit of sparkle on the page where it's not overwhelming, because I'm still trying to get used to foil. I used those two kits and I used my foil packs, and I don't get me wrong, I'm glad people love foil, because I enjoy designing it. I enjoy making it now that I've figured out how to do it and not want to pull my hair out. But I haven't quite figured out how I like to use it, because this right here to me is perfection. Like, just this little bit of foil, and then I brought in this like kind of scattered throughout, just so that you have like this little pops of foil throughout the spread, but it's not overwhelming. It's not like covering up the artwork. It's not, and this to me is perfection. So Julie had like this absolutely fantastic idea to do this with her glitter washi, and I might, glitter headers, sorry, not glitter washi, but it could work with the glitter washi too. Yeah, that's a good idea. I might do that. I think I might carry some of this. I might start doing it. I'm going to try it out and see with my new printer and my new way of foiling that I might be able to actually get back to foiling kits again, to where it actually looks good, and I'm okay with it. So because this, I just absolutely loved it, and her boxes are amazing. I love those three. I wish she had them. I'm gonna go check the shop. See the box at the top of Monday there with those three different things in the checkbox. I love that box. I love it, and I need those in my life, like a ton of them. So I'm gonna check her shop and see if she has those in her functionals by themselves, and if she does, I'm gonna pick those up for sure. And if she doesn't, I'm gonna have to probably design something similar for myself just to have on hand at home. I have a lot of stuff that I make for myself that I don't put in the shop because I feel like that would be wrong to, use somebody else's ideas. Although, sorry, Julie, but those foiled glitter headers are just to die for. So I have to I have to make those. I have to have those. And these boxes are definitely to die for, so I got to have those too. Anyway, back to what was going on this week. So, this week so this is now my shop planner, and this is the TPC Nation Hybrid Planner, and I've started using my Cocoa Daisy because you guys have seen me unbox my Cocoa Daisy and I absolutely love it. But I've been struggling with trying to figure out what I wanted to do with it, because I used to use it in my journal that I would take with me all the time. And then if you saw my haul, you saw me talk about, like, I changed things up and messed stuff up and ended up like with 2 full months where I barely even used my Cocoa Daisy, and it really upset me. So now I figured out that for the daily hybrid planner, those daily pages, because I get so much from Cocoa Daisy and it's absolutely gorgeous, I started using it on my dailies. So all of my dailies for the week match in one of the weeks. So because there's 7 daily pages behind each one of these weeklies, and I was kind of struggling to find kits that would fit just a daily page and not continue to use my own daily pages, because I do have my own in the shop, but I've said it before, I'm not even joking. I get so tired of looking at my own artwork because I spend every single day designing it, printing it, cutting it, packaging it for people, that when it comes to using it, I just don't like using it. I like to use stuff like this, other people's stuff. I like to support other shops. So yeah, I decided to use my Cocoa Daisy on my dailies for the 7 days. I used up almost all of my stickers. The whole entire week matched. It's absolutely gorgeous. It is fall themed because it's the fall month. And so I finally figured out what to do with all those stickers, because I refuse to stop getting the subscription. I refuse. I love, love, love my Cocoa Daisy. I love everything that I get in my kits. And so I don't want to get rid of any of it. And I have been kind of destashing it a little bit to some of my friends. Cara got a little bit. My friend Jolene got a little bit. I've been kind of trying not to hoard it since I wasn't using it. But Jolene moved away, made me sad. And Cara, I'll still send her stuff because I still send her stuff. But now that I'm using it, I'm kind of excited because I'm actually getting to use my stuff. So probably maybe I'll take some pictures of it and put it up on Instagram if you're curious to see how it looks on a daily spread, because I think it'd be really, really pretty for you guys if you're interested in Cocoa Daisy and you have a planner like this and you're not sure what to do with all those stickers. I will show you on Instagram what I did with it before I start writing all over the dailies, because it's actually for next week, so I haven't even started writing on them yet. So I will definitely take pictures of those and put them up on Instagram for you so you can see them. So I'm just kind of going through, and she's got some of the scripts that I actually need for this week on the days that I'm going grocery shopping and the days that with the to-dos and stuff. What else did we do this week? So on Monday, I ordered this sticker storage from Simply Gilded. I still haven't gotten my shipping notice yet on that, so I'm still waiting for that. On Tuesday, I ordered a set of new shelving for my shop. So I ordered 3 sets of shelving, basically new like workbenches, so they can line up side by side, so I have a place to cut all my stuff and do my orders and whatnot. So I've ordered that. I ordered a mail. It's funny because it's a lot bigger than I expected it to be, but it's like a mail slot thing. So I don't even know how to explain it, but they're 48 little, they're 8.5 by 11 mail slots and there's 48 of them in this gigantic shelf, and now it is sitting up on one of my other shelves, and it is where I'm keeping all of my shop stickers. So I'm trying to become a ready to ship shop, and this is how I'm doing it. So pretty soon, guys, pretty soon you will see everything ready to go. So I'm just going to finish out the last of this week, putting up the last of my stuff. I worked most of these days, so nothing super exciting went on. I did go and buy a Christmas tree from Michael's tomorrow, and I will talk about that more in the next plan with me because I'm super excited about that. And this is it. This is pretty much everything ready to go other than just writing everything down. I did end up using some of my Happy Day stickers in the sidebar because they matched and it came out fantastic. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really, really appreciate it, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye-bye.